Welcome to the world of parrots. These amazing birds come in all colors of the rainbow, from bright reds to deep blues. Parrots live in warm places like tropical rainforests, where they swing from trees and squawk cheerfully. They have strong, curved beaks perfect for cracking nuts and seeds. Did you know some parrots can even talk? They mimic sounds they hear around them. Parrots also use their colorful feathers to find friends and stay safe from predators. But sadly, many parrots are in danger because their homes are being destroyed. We can help by protecting rainforests and supporting wildlife conservation. So next time you see a parrot, remember how special and important they are to our world.